Phoenix Zookeeper Robots by Team DaVinci. Our problem was to find effective care for a lion enclosure in the Phoenix Zoo. We proposed a 5 robot system, which included feeding, cleaning, monitoring, and preserving the mental and physical well-being of the lions. My robot was a feeder robot, which used the algorithm and a distance sensor to detect if obstacles were in the way and if it could maneuver properly. Attached to the robot is a photodiode to detect when it breaks an IR beam that surrounds the placement zone of the food, then will trigger the robot to release.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Podinovskiy. I'm here to talk about the information bot. This bot was designed to be very simple. It's supposed to be password protected and stored in a secure location. This bot is supposed to communicate with all the other bots, along with the zookeepers, the maintainers, and the vets, which is performed through the antennas and the communication tower that's supposed to send messages to the appropriate people, which was stored into uh, the bot through the programming. All the codes that I could come up with for it is shown on the slide.
So this is the enrichment pot. One side of it is a like friction mat, so the lions can come in and paw it. It's also doubles as a grill for a speaker that will produce animal sounds to get the lion to come in and actually engage with it. It also has on the other side of it treat holes and scent holes, basically just more ways for the lines to come in, ways to get them to interact with the device itself. This will lead to them not being as bored and hopefully having a better time in the lion enclosure.
So this is the alert bot. So the way this works is it uses AI by sending visual data that it collects to the information bot, and then a signal is sent back on whether or not the situation is dangerous. And if it is, it sends that information with specifics to the staff so that they can respond. And if necessary, the staff has an option to deploy a tranquilizer, if necessary, to control the situation. The bot also has various states that it changes to based on the information that it's collecting. For example, if there's low lighting, it'll turn its LEDs on. If its battery is low, it'll fly back to the charging station until it reaches a certain battery threshold and then can be deployed again. And then, of course, if there's a situation that staff needs to be involved in, it sends that information to them.
Hi, I'm Jack Pulford. I designed and prototyped the Scooperbot for Team DaVinci. The Scooperbot's primary and only purpose is to remove waste from the lion enclosure. It achieves this by using distance sensors on the front and rear of the robot to detect the distance of the waste. And then it uses a scoop bucket and a dump truck bed, almost like a skid steer of a dump truck on a construction site. It's a track-driven robot that either follows a predetermined course or is remote controlled by a zookeeper. We at Team DaVinci believe that we've developed a robotic system to improve upon efficiency and safety in zoo operations. Our system of robots handles repetitive and potentially dangerous tasks and removes the zookeeper from that situation and allows greater focus on primary animal care. We believe this system is a long-term solution and are excited about the future development of the program.